In this tutorial, we are going to talk about multiplying binomials. Multiplying binomials will result in up to 4 terms after simplifying. We're going to distribute each term in the first binomial to each term in the second binomial. Then we'll combine like terms. So first we're going to start off with our box. 3x plus 9 on the top and 2x minus 8 on the bottom. And then we're going to multiply 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. 2x times 9 is a positive 18x. 3x times negative 8 is negative 24x. And positive 9 times negative 8 is negative 72. And then we combine like terms. Negative 24x and 18x are like terms, so we'll combine those. So 6x squared, negative 24 and 18 make negative 6x minus 72. And there is our trinomial. Letter B, again, we're going to start off with our box. 6x plus 3 and 10x plus 6. 10 times 6 is 60x squared. 3 times 10x is a positive 30x. 6 times 6 is a positive 36x. And 3 times 6 is a positive 18. Again, our diagonals are like terms. So when we combine, we have 60x squared. 36 and 30 is 66x plus 18. In C and D, even though we have radicals, we're going to still distribute the same way. So we're going to create a box. On the top we have 7x plus root 3 and 8x minus root 7. 8 times 7 is 56x squared. 8x times positive root 3 is positive 8x root 3. 7x times negative root 7 is negative 7x root 7. And then positive times a negative is a negative. Root 7 times root 3 is root 21. Then we can combine like terms. In this case, root 7 and root 3 are not like terms. So our answer becomes 56x squared plus 8x root 3 minus 7x root 7 minus root 21. And it doesn't matter if we have 8x root 3 first or negative 7x root 7 first. So let's go ahead and set up D. We have 5x minus root 6 and 7x minus root 6. 7 times 5 is 35x squared. 7x times negative root 6 is negative 7x root 6. Negative root 6 times 5x is negative 5x root 6. And negative times negative is a positive. Root 6 times root 6 is root 36. Square root of 36 is a positive 6. And in this case, we have x root 6 and x root 6, so these are like terms. So we end up with 35x squared. Negative 5 and negative 7 make negative 12x root 6. And then plus 6. Similar thing happens when we have I. We're still going to make our box. 20x plus 4i, 10x plus 6i, multiply. 20 times 10 is 200, x squared. 10 times 4 is a positive 40. xi, 20 times 6 is a positive 120 xi, and 6 times 4 is 24 I squared. And we know I squared is negative 1, so 24 times negative 1 is negative 24. Combine like terms. xi and xi are like terms, so we're going to combine those. So 200 x squared, 120 and 40 is 160 xi minus 24. On letter F, again, we're going to set it up the same way. We have 4x minus 6i and 9x minus 7i. 9 times 4 is 36x squared. Negative 6 times 9 is negative 54xi. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28xi. Negative times a negative is a positive 42i squared. And we know that I squared is negative 1, so that's a negative 42. And xi and xi are like terms. So we end up with 36x squared, negative 28, and negative 54 is a negative 82xi, and then minus 42. And that is our final answer.